everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 28th to the 2nd of July 2021 on Monday. The police sweep in on Kunzi and Sibonelo. Abazalwane celebrate having their church back. Njeza ropes Nosipho into his cable theft hustle on Tuesday. Sbu and Njeza are arrested. An unfavorable decision leaves the church members devastated. Mrs. Madlala is put in her place by a heartbroken bongs on Wednesday. Nkunzi want to hear the evidence against him. Lily almost bust Njeza with the cable theft tools. Nosipho promises to protect her family legacy on Thursday. Nkunzi and Sibonelo returns home free agents. Pastor Kwala accepts Mamlambo's nomination. Njeza loses a crew member on Friday. Nosipho is fed up with the police and decides to grab Nkunzi by horns herself. An umbilical cord dreams causes a rift between Pastor and Mamlambo and Zeketelo turns power cut to their advantage. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.